We wanted to get out of the city and the small again. Real estate agents felt that we should modernize our home by their standards, and they didn't really want to raise the price that much. Of course, we pretty much broke even for what we would have had to spend in order to get the top dollar. And I don't agree with real estate agent making the amount of money they make just for selling a house. Well, I've had a lot of investors call me, but most of them wanted me. I even had a couple of them that wanted me to remodel the house before they bought the house. It's quite interesting how the people that are selling real estate, most of them they want you to pay them to take your house, basically. Well, you came in, you were honest about what you could make off or pay for them, and what the math that I was given by the real estate agents and other people was all I was going to get out of it. And much agree with your figures. So. Yes, it was fast and easy. It only took a few minutes for you to come up with a fair price. Yes, we did. Why sit around for months paying your utilities and expenses of the home when somebody will buy it for a period of time, give you cash for it? Yes, you did. Happy that it happened.